It feels so great to have a finished kitchen. We always knew that we'd be spending a lot of time here because the kitchen is the heart of the home and such a functional space, but I didn't realise how special it would feel or how much we'd really love it. There were so many different colours and styles that we could have gone for, and Calcutta Gold Superior was definitely a bolder choice, but I'm so pleased that we went for it. It created such a standout feature of our worktops. We were really unsure about how the windowsill drop would actually work. Our windowsills aren't actually even, so we spoke to Gemini and they created a real bespoke service for us where they created a waterfall drop right at the bottom, and then what they did was they extended the kitchen cabinet design onto the windowsill. We didn't know that it was possible, but it just goes to show that quartz doesn't have to be limited to existing worktops, and it can be extended to windowsills and backsplashes too. The experience with Gemini has been perfect from start to finish. Their attention to detail has been second to none, and it's really elevated the design that we had for our kitchen, and we couldn't be more pleased.